Today, there are 252 of you. Some of you will serve with the Navy, some with the Coast Guard, and some with the Merchant Marine. Each path is different, but you carry the same compass guiding you towards excellence and service. The seas are rife with danger. It will test you. It will push you to your limits. But above all, it will shape you into the mariner that you are meant to be. Mga kadete, malawak ang abot tanaw ninyo. Dadaling kayo ng inyong mga barko sa iba't ibang dako ng mundo. Tandaan ninyo na sa bawat paglalakbay, bitbit ninyo ang dangal at pagmamahal sa bayan. Dalhin ninyo ang pangalan ng PMMA, ng Kadaligtan at ng Pilipinas sa bawat pantalan at bawat karagatang inyong tatawirin.
Napakasarap po sa pakiramdam na graduate bilang class valedictorian. Isang karangalan po sa akin at hindi lang sa akin kundi sa pamilya ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, and sa bayan namin, and most especially po sa PMMA. It's been honored to be a part of this graduating class, and also it's been an honor to be the class valedictorian, to be honored by His Excellency President Marcos. Worth it naman po na pumasok sa PMMA sa 4-year course, and although mahirap siya sa simula, pero at the end, napakaganda naman po ng experience. So basically, sport class talagang napakahirap po as freshman, and then kada tumataas po yung rango namin as sport class, third class, then tumataas din po yung responsibility and as well as the privilege. And in my second class year, I've been on board on international vessel, Panama flagship, a container ship, sailing in the Central America and North America. So after graduation, we've been called also by the company to sail in the international vessel. And what I can say, ma'am, is that being a cadet here is very worth it after the graduation. As the class name suggests, ma'am, Kawal ng Dalampasigan, Liwanag ng Karagatan. We are the beacons of hope to the Filipino youth, so that when they come aboard here in PMMA, the Filipino will come and see that their cadets are being well trained, being well knowledgeable, and international ready cadets to face the challenges of the modern times. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa kanyang taus-pusong pagpunta, ma'am, dito sa PMMA, and most especially sa bilang Commander-in-Chief.